Yeah, it's like a dream, but the job now as I'm doing it is the reality.
Questo gesto del ragazzo è stato un gesto con un sangue freddo eccezionale e con un coraggio fuori dal comune, perché comunque l'altro era armato di coltello e io non penso che chiunque di noi sarebbe intervenuto così repentinamente senza pensarci e rischiando magari di farsi anche male.
So I was lucky to have taken the risk of my life. My thought has changed, you know. When you have no job, you think like a jobless man. But when you get a job, you think like somebody who has a dream. But now my dream has changed. I believe I can make a family here with this job.
Ho deciso di dargli un'occasione quando l'ho visto e gli ho parlato, perché ho visto che era un ragazzo con un entusiasmo fuori del comune per la vita e per quello che sono le sue aspettative dalla vita. E quindi questo entusiasmo mi ha contagiato e ne ho parlato in azienda e sono stati tutti d'accordo nell'inserirlo.
Working and studying at the same time is the greatest opportunity I've ever had in my life. You understand me? This, you know, when I was in camp, I never had this opportunity of going to school, but I've been looking for this opportunity, and it was difficult for me when I signed out of the camp that, you know, for me to go back to school and to get myself feeding all those things. It would be difficult for me because of that. I lost the dream of going to school here in Italy, but God has just, the opportunity has come now. The opportunity of working and studying at the same time is the greatest opportunity I've ever had in my life.